Hello all. So in this tutorial I am going to explain you the MQ2 or MQ3 and MQ135 sensor. So these all three sensor we can use for measuring the alcohol, smoke detection sensor or air quality sensor. The MQ3 sensor is used to measure the alcohol level. MQ2 is used to measure smoke detection sensor, and MQ135 is used for air quality sensor. Now, by using same code, we can interface all three sensor, all three MQ sensors. So, for the tutorial purpose, I am going to explain you that alcohol sensor. So, that is nothing but MQ3 sensor. Okay, so this is the small code, and the same code we can interface use for MQ3, MQ2 and MQ135. All the MQ series we can use the same code. So if you get to know about this code, you can easily interface the other code also. Okay, so let's begin it. This is like int is a data type and sensor value is a variable name. So that variable name I'm going to use the downside of the program. And this is the void setter function. As we know, like inside the void setter function, whatever things will write, that will execute only one time. Okay, so here I am just printing the sensor alcohol sensor value on the serial monitor. So for that sake, I am printing here the baud date. I am setting the baud date of 9600 for the UART. For means for the in order to print the values on the serial monitor, we need to write here the baud date. Now this is the void loop function. So here, in the void setter function, we no need to declare the mode of a pin, because analog sensors normally we are using for input purpose. So compiler defaultly it will access as an input. No need to write. If you write also, you will not get any issues. So inside the void loop function, first what I am doing here in the analog read, I am reading the pin number A0, that is analog 0 pin of Arduino Uno. And the same value, whatever analog value I am getting, I am assigning into the sensor value variable. After that, what I am doing in the serial monitor, I am printing the value alcohol. This string, particular string, I am printing. After that, sensor value, whatever value I am getting, that value I am printing on the serial monitor. Okay, so as you know, this is your MQ3 sensor. Okay, it is having 4 pin, that is 5 volt ground, D0 and A0. Means we can use this sensor either by using digital form or by using analog form. But here for tutorial purpose we are going to use it as an analog. Okay, so now what I am doing here, I am just connecting the 5 volt to the 5 volt of the Arduino Uno, ground to the ground, and the data pin to the A0. As if now orange wire is for VCC. So VCC means 5 volt and ground means ground. So 1, 2, 3, 4th place I am putting this orange, and 3rd place for ground. And this green wire is nothing but data wire, so I am connecting it as an A0. Okay, now you can see. So now I am going to show you the demo. Okay, so this is our MQ3 sensor. So it is powered now. LED is blinking. So that I am going to open the serial monitor and we'll check what value we are getting on the serial monitor, default value. So now you can see it here. Default value we are getting 625 around, 650 something around. Okay, so just to check it, we need to give some alcohol. For the demo purpose, I am using this sanitizer. So in this sanitizer we have more than 80 to 90% alcohol. Okay, so we are not going to use the real time alcohol, we will use this one. Okay, so we need to spray it and we need to check it whether the value is changing or not. Now by default we are getting something around 664. Now I am going to spray it and we'll see what value we are getting on the serial monitor. See, we are now getting value more than 700, 750 around. So what is happening internally when there is a presence of alcohol near the alcohol sensor? Some internally element is there. That element will read that one, and accordingly it will change the voltage. So voltage level will change, and this is the analog sensor. We are passing it to the Arduino Uno, and using 10-bit ADC, inbuilt ADC in the Arduino Uno, it will convert into the digital form. So for that only we are using this. We are getting this value. So by using this alcohol sensor, we can make some mini project by adding some buzzer, or by adding some GSM, send notification in. So this small project we can use it into the home, school, college, or apartment. So that part I will make some mini project, and I will show you the demo.